Hi, my name is Colton Borland. I'm at the Borasee Ranch right now. We are getting our chickens ready for chicken showmanship at the Salinas Valley Fair. We are giving them a bath. They are very dirty. We're going to wash all the dirt out and make them shiny.
Hit pause. Oh, so right now I am soaping my bird. The two things that you're going to use is a sponge. It's really soapy. I have a sponge and I have a toothbrush. The toothbrush is to get by the head in between the eyes and the comb. And the sponge is for the body. And so we're just going to rub this all over their feathers, making sure to go the direction that the feathers are laying. And you're going to go and you're going to get the whole chicken wet and soapy.
We get under their wings?
Yep, and you get under the wings. Under there. Just gonna put it there. And you can also dip your chicken in the water. Just make sure to leave their head up. They don't like that very much. Stop it. And then we're going to take them over to the rinsing tub. And this is going to get all of the soap off. Stop it. He is not being very good. And you're going to dip them in the water. Okay, you're okay. He's grabbing my finger. And then you're also going to have a sponge in here. And you're going to do the same thing. And you're going to go over all of the feathers and make sure you get all of the soap out.